months ago, I did a review of the Nike Joyride, and it had the latest cushioning technology of Nike, which is, well, the Joyride. It's basically thousands of beads that they insert into the midsole of the sneaker so that they would adjust and conform to your feet and the pressure to give you the best kind of support ever. And yeah, I didn't like it. I trashed it. I said that it was horrible. I didn't enjoy it. I didn't like it. One of the worst sneakers that I wore, I think, maybe latter part of last year. However, today I am eating my words because I recently bought the new Nike Joyride Dual Run, which I think is a variation of the Joyride Run. And this is, or at least in my opinion, like at least 10 times better than the original Joyride. And I am loving this shoe. For today's episode, we're going to take it out of the box. We're going to put it on feet. I'm going to share with you guys my on-feet review of it. And yeah, I'm really just all praises for this. So if you are interested in this sneaker, if you are interested in Joyride, watch the entire video. Let's go. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving this away in collaboration with Cup Garden. We're giving away a Supreme Hanes Real 3 Boxer Briefs, unused, brand new. Hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link down below for the mechanics so you can be part of the draw. Now, before we get officially started with this review and unboxing, let me just give a quick reminder to all of you, as much as possible, stay at home, practice social distancing, always wash your hands or sanitize it with alcohol every time you touch something or someone. That is the best way to protect ourselves from the coronavirus or the COVID-19, whatever name you want to call it, which is literally rampaging all over the world. Here in the Philippines, they just announced like a curfew here in Metro Manila. So every 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. there is a curfew in full force. Malls, I think, are being asked to close. So it's really not, not a good time. So as much as possible, guys, be safe, be healthy. Always remember as well to pray to God to keep you safe, to keep you protected, and to bless this country. And with that, let's get to the unboxing and get some good vibes into this, to online, because there's just so much negativity and I can't blame people for being negative going on right now. The sneaker comes in your typical Nike orange box with the swoosh at the top of the lid, and then you have the details of the sneaker over here. So as you can see, the official name is the Nike Joyride Dual Run. I did go size 13, so my usual tactic of going a full size up when it comes to Nike sneakers, because almost always Nike sneakers fit a little bit smaller compared to Adidas sneakers, well, in my opinion. But anyway, if you pop the box open, bam, this is what the sneaker looks like. This is the Nike Joyride Dual Run, and if you take a look at the upper, it uses some sort of mix of like mesh and some reinforced fused material here along the edges. You have the swoosh, the bigger one on the lateral side, a smaller swoosh on the medial side. You have a pull tab over here at the back, which is almost the same material as the laces. And then if you take a look at the midsole, that's where all the action happens. These are thousands of beads inside this case, and there are even thousands more throughout it, especially here at the forefoot. And these beads, as you walk and run in them, like what I mentioned at the start, they conform, they adjust, they shift, they move around to be able to give you the best kind of support as possible, whether you are running or you are walking in them. Now, when it comes to casual wear, this is friggin' amazing. I mean, I wore it yesterday for a full 10 hours or a little over 10 hours, and the support that I got, man, it was really good in terms of comfort, in terms of stability. It was just on point all throughout. It is a different kind of experience because the support is not like your entire midsole or the entire underfoot of your entire underfoot. There are just certain parts where it concentrates to be able to give you the support that it's needed. So it's not like, for example, you're walking on an Air Force One or maybe a React midsole or other types of technologies for cushioning wherein it's equal all throughout. This one, it kind of concentrates on spots where it's needed. And that, I think, is the magic of the Joyride technology. The precision, the intent the deliberate strategy to be able to shift and focus the support where it is needed the most. And I appreciate that. I appreciate the technology. I appreciate the fact that Nike is not just resting on what they have, and they're trying to push as far as they can with the technology that they have. So I applaud that. I did not like the Nike Joyride Flyknit, but this one for me is so much better. 2 thumbs up. Two thumbs up. Now, it does come in different colorways, so just pick your poison, whatever style you want. I made the big mistake of going for whites. So yeah, in just one day of wear, take a look at that. Dirt, 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 dirt. Crepe wipes. I need crepe wipes. Shout out to Crepe Protect Philippines. They're my guys when it comes to keeping my sneakers clean. But anyway, so just pick the colorway that you like. A reminder, if you go with whites, they become dirty really fast. As for running, I did do a quick 3. I run, You think I didn't run, I actually bought a treadmill. So it's here at my home gym. The vlog about my home gym is coming really soon. So watch out for that. So I did do like a quick 3 km run. I mean, it's not a lot, but pagbigyan nyo na ako, I'm out of shape. So doing that already is a big, step forward for me. And I enjoyed it a lot with this particular sneaker. Again, the feeling of the beads, focusing on areas, it really lives up to the hype. It's not just a gimmick because you feel it. And you feel it during the run and you feel it after the run. Now, please do take note that I'm not a professional runner, and the professional runners probably have like a better take on this sneaker. Like they say that it's for recovery runs and stuff like that. But hey, as a guy who just runs in his treadmill to try to lose some weight together with some dieting, it is a fun shoe to wear. It's a fun running sneaker to wear because it is a different kind of experience. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my review of the Nike Joyride Dual Run. It is available in a lot of Nike shops. Just ask them for it. I think it sells for a little over 7,000 or 6,000 pesos. It's not the most expensive Joy Run that you can buy, but again, I really like this one. I just realized that I kept calling it Joy Run when it is the Joyride Run. Now, before we end the vlog, 2 things. First up, if you missed my unboxing and on-feet review of the LeBron 17 Lows in the bread colorway, I recently uploaded that. The link can be found down below and somewhere up here. And lastly, I just want to do one more unboxing for you all. This is for my Dragon Ball Z collection, my statue collection. So over there are all Dragon Ball Z figures. I am a fan, so I got the new one, which is a limited edition version of Broly, a statue of Broly. So let's take it out of the box, take a closer look, and enjoy staring at the awesomeness of Broly. So this is called the 20th Film King Class Star Broly from Japan. Super Saiyan Broly Full Power. So apparently this is special edition because the thing around his waist, I think it's the ear of one of the monsters that he kept as pets. I can't remember anymore. I'll watch the movie again. This one is metallic versus the normal version, which is like plain color. I have it back there, so I'll actually compare it side by side in a bit. So let's take it out of the box. So I'll show you first the non-limited edition. So this is the Broly Class Star non-limited edition. This is the limited edition. So the big difference really, well, the pose is the same. The only main difference really is the quality of this part over here. So it is metallic. Also the latter part of the boots. This one is dull. The color is just a little bit different. But yeah, overall, very kick-ass. Very happy to have this limited edition toy in my collection. Go Broly! I also got this one, which is the Blood Science Dragon Ball Z Special, featuring, of course, our favorite character, Goku. Goku, of course, is the protagonist and the main hero of Dragon Ball Z. And yeah, I'll probably just assemble it later, but I won't go through the motions anymore of unboxing it for you all. But as you guys can see, that's it for the vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed, and as usual, please do stay safe as much as possible. Stay at home, practice social distancing, and always wash your hands, always sanitize your hands, and all of that good stuff. And with that said, I hope you're all having a great weekend. Peace, God bless. What's up? God bless, God bless, God bless. Boom.